Best strategies to play in Archero 2. So before a game even starts, you already decide your fate with the equipment you use. Standard level equipment for the stage we're currently in, we're still in a very low level right now. So as the stages increase, we should increase the rarities and levels of our equipment. There are better equipment that gives you better quality skills. As you can see here, the higher the rarity of the equipment, the more quality skills are unlocked. Now in game, the skills you use is usually based on the equipment you have. If you have crit rate for equipment or other sort of skills that matches another skill, then it's better to stack them up to make them even more powerful. Or another way is to make sure the skills you're getting will always the other skills you have. For example, I'll choose sprites. So there is a skill during in-game where you can get a higher quality level of these sprites. So look out for that if you have chosen multiple sprites as your chosen skills. Now it's usually just luck based on the skills you get. You can be creative on how to connect the skills together to make them more powerful than just choosing random skills altogether. The sprite may choose a projectile and yet it still doesn't pierce your enemies, so you still have to be careful with the skills you choose. For example, for being decisive of the skills you use is in these two choices here. We have chosen piercing, and if we increase the front shooting arrows, we'll basically multiply that piercing effect by 2. You can choose the first skill and intentionally put your health below 50% because of the massive attribute of attack and attack speed. You can't really choose a best strategy because the skills aren't really assured to appear all the time, so it's more on decision making and choosing which kill is best for you. Now, best of luck in your Archero 2 grinding and gaming. It's up to you on how creative you can be when choosing your skills, equipment, and strategies of playing the game. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. That's all. Thank you.